Eddie decides that he wants to help develop the blood vessels of a tumor, but first he will need to recruit some new friends called parasites. Parasites are contractile cells that attach to Eddie and help him make good strong blood vessels. Eddie can recruit his parasite friends in 4 ways. Eddie releases platelet-derived growth factor beta, which binds to receptors on the parasite, inducing their proliferation and migration. Eddie releases shinagosine-1 phosphate, which binds to G-protein coupled receptors on his parasite friends to promote their migration. Eddie's parasite friends secrete angiopoietin-1, which binds to Eddie and causes him to secrete hairpin-binding epidermal growth factor, which in turn binds to the parasites and promotes their proliferation and migration. Parasites secrete transforming growth factor beta-1, which causes Eddie to proliferate and migrate into surrounding blood vessels and elsewhere in his host. At the same time, Eddie also secretes transforming growth factor beta-1, which binds to the parasites and causes them to differentiate. Finally, once Eddie has recruited his parasite friends, he is almost ready to build a blood vessel. But he needs one more helping hand. Tumors release miRNAs called MIR9, which bind to Eddie and induce a JAK-STAT pathway that in turn induces significant endothelial cell migration and allows Eddie to help construct a vascular network for a tumor. Zhuang and researchers found in 2012 that by preventing the delivery of MIR9 or inhibiting the JAK-STAT pathway through anti-MIR9 and JAK inhibitors, downstream signaling pathways were reduced and endothelial cell migration and angiogenesis were repressed, which in turn impeded tumor growth, in some cases completely.